Summer is here. Finally, you get to wear your shades and look cool. We are going off topic here. Okay, Pregadians, until now we were coding front-end programs only with eye-dazzling graphics, components, making chat client and informative app, etc. But in the backend, we were constantly using only Firebase. Actually, there's no problem using it, but the bitter truth behind this backend as service or BaaS is if the security of this backend is not configured properly and professionally, you might leak your data all over the internet. It will be like a volcano, for example, which will erupt all your data everywhere. And also, it could be discontinued any day. Now, most of you would say, sir, it's made by Google, sir. Why would it shut down? Haha, lol, laugh my beep off. You are such a noob, sir. Google stuff cannot shut down, sir. Well, true, might not shut down, but what's the guarantee? Consider using Google itself and search for parse server shutdown. You will know a backend as a service like Parse, which was developed by Facebook, was discontinued. But that's not all. You also need to take your money into consideration. Suppose your app becomes viral and gains a huge user base. If you are using Firebase, it might happen that at the end of the month, you might get a bill of over $72,000 because your Firebase uses a plan called Pay As You Go. That means while your app is scaling to its new heights, so as the tariff of your Firebase. So think of it like this. Suppose we could make our own backend our own way, controlling everything the way we want, a backend which we dreamt of, a backend of our dreams which listened to us, which did whatever we wanted. It could do everything we wanted but safely. Our own custom backend. Okay, we are going again off topic, but basically our own custom backend. Now, a custom backend can be achieved through many ways, but the most commonly used way is Node.js and MongoDB combined together. So having said that, I am starting a new series which will help you learn Node.js. Now, as you know, I'm an Indian, and we Indians have a tendency to teach complex stuffs easily, and that's what I will do here. I'll try and make this series as easy to understand as possible, so stay tuned.